Predecessor on me got me flexing. I know that you see me and you stressing. If I go tomorrow, no, I'm blessed, cause I'm flexing. What's happening, guys? It's your boy Nazano here, and I'm back with another video. And before we get started, subscribe, leave a comment, and like. Also, follow me on Instagram at Nazano. Like this video because it's about to be lit, and I put hard work into this. Without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, watch to the end if you're a real one. Roll the clip.
I know, right? It's all because of Nathan. Right? It's all because of Nathan.
Yup. So I'm actually stopping the video here, interrupting you guys because I'm gonna say, if you have headphones, take them off. Or if your volume's up and everyone's asleep at home, like, turn it down, because there's a lot of screaming, air horns, like, that's loud. So yeah, I'm just letting you guys know, this is a warning. Turn down your volume. Don't go deaf by my sister screaming. I think she's in the background, if you guys can see where she's hiding. She don't want to be in camera. But yeah, turn it down. You don't want to go deaf or like hurt your ears, because like she screams so much, and like the air horn is noisy and annoying. So yeah, turn it down, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll let you guys enjoy, so peace. How you feel?
Leave me alone.
Go back to cleaning. What?
Annoying. I knew you were gonna do something.
How? Alright guys, so I'm gonna be pranking my sister. As you guys can see, I've been pranking her with this from the beginning of the video, but it's gonna be different. She's taking a shower. I'm gonna prank her with this and put cold water on her, maybe with ice. So yeah, good luck for her. Peace. Take this turn. Why?
Get out! Nathan!
Bye.
You made me drop the water!
I'm so sorry. I'll pick it up. I'll pick that up. I'll pick that up. I'm so sorry. Where's the water at? Oh shoot, she was
I was gonna come, drink my water, and drink some.
I just finished her pranking her from the shower. Yeah. So yeah, drink all that water there. It's like the third time in this day. Are you crying? You was about to eat, huh? Alright, this is gonna do it for this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment, because this was kind of hard. I had to be doing this for a whole week, like pranking her at least 2 times a day for 7 days. And yeah, she kind of got scared. I kind of feel bad now. So yeah, I kind of feel bad because she dropped her water and because I threw water on her cold. So yeah, I kind of feel bad. So leave a like if you guys support her and feel what she's feeling by the air horn and stuff. So yeah, leave that and comment down below what other videos I should do, and yeah, I'll for sure do them. So yeah, till next time. So peace. I forgot to mention, it's summer. It's May 24th, the day we get out of school. For me, I graduated 8th grade. Now I'm going to high school. So yeah, I didn't really like middle school. It's kind of boring. I don't like school, so that's my sister. Please don't listen to that. But yeah, stop being loud! Alright, there. She can't even hear. I think she's FaceTiming her friend. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna end it off here. As I said, leave a like, subscribe, comment. I put hard work to this. And yeah, peace.